Buddha.
I remember them days, walking to school, wondering where would I be. I had buried the pain in my heart and it sprouted some roots and it grew like a tree. And them nightmares, they were creeping on me, I could barely ever go to sleep. Cut my ex off, she was tripping on me when she supposed to be my peace. Yeah, straight out the struggle, me and my brothers, cooking noodles on the stove. Remember them days, them hoes didn't want me, now they won't leave me alone. Can't afford a studio, started taking notes, making hits on the phone. Don't like to talk about it, poured all my pain in the styrofoam. Burning houses, cold fences, and rainy days. Lord forgive me, cause I've been sinning, take the pain away. Steady sipping, mind in the haze. Them dark clouds follow every day. Burning houses, cold fences, and rainy days. Lord forgive me, cause I've been sinning, take the pain away. Steady sipping, mind in the haze. Them dark clouds follow every day. Yeah, they follow me, Lord, why they follow me? They issues come and push them over, then they come and follow me. I never had no hoop dreams, but I wanna live like ballers. Drugs and murder, yeah, that's all I see. When you speak, better speak cautiously, cause I might turn or I might act or you might see another side. I've been known to have my moments, you gon' catch this homicide. Been in the block, you know how we ride. Wanna see pain, look in my eyes. Don't trust nobody with my problems, I just keep them locked inside. Burning houses, cold fences, and rainy days. Lord forgive me, cause I've been sinning, take the pain away. Steady sipping, mind in the haze. Them dark clouds follow every day. Burning houses, cold fences, and rainy days. Lord forgive me, cause I've been sinning, take the pain away. Steady sipping, mind in the haze. Them dark clouds follow every day. I'm tired of shit, aggravated, fed up with my own life. And I never go to sleep alone, I always hold my chrome tight. 16 years old, had my first heartbreak. 17 years old, got cheated on. 18 years old, thought I saw God's face. 19, I just wanted just to be alone. Straight out that hospital, swear to God, it didn't feel real. Woke up with IVs and needles and all kinds of nurses, I thought that a nigga was killed. But I came back from the dead and I don't know what happened. But ever since then, the nigga been snapping. Respect from the killers and dealers and trappers. Nizz came back and it's all that matters. I fear no man but God.